guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Willkommen auf meinem YouTube-Kanal. Welcome to another video with Miss Mando. And if you don't know me, my name is Mando. I'm a German teacher and we're going to learn German together. So let's get started. In a previous video, we talked about definite articles. In this video, we're going to talk about indefinite articles. If you need to learn what definite articles in German are and how we can also use them, just click over here and refer to my last video about definite articles. So the rules that we have talked about nouns are always the same. So there are two things for you guys to remember. The first thing is the gender of the nouns. As we talked about in our previous video, the nouns in German belong to either of these three genders. There is a masculine, feminine, and neuter gender. Unfortunately, we have to learn in German the nouns together with their genders. For example, der Mann, die Frau, das Kind, but das Mädchen instead of die Mädchen, for example, which means the girl. And the second thing that you guys have to remember is the cases of the nouns. Nouns in German can have 4 cases. Cases indicate basically the role that one noun has in the sentence. For example, when the noun is a subject of the sentence, then we use nominative. When the noun is the direct object, then we use the accusative form, the accusative case. When the noun in a sentence is the indirected object to the verb, then we use the dative case. And when we have possession, okay, then we basically use the genitive form, the genitive case. Anyway, let's talk about the indefinite articles now. The indefinite article in English is the word a. A man, a woman, a kid. In German, however, we have to use the word ein. The word ein is basically the word one in English. So, for example, we say ein Mann. Ein Mann is the masculine noun Mann with the indefinite article ein, in which case in nominative. But what will happen with the word Frau, which is feminine, right? The word Frau, which is feminine, will take the indefinite article eine. So we will just put an extra e next to the ein. For the child, we just use the word ein. So we say ein Mann, eine Frau, and ein Kind. Well, we have good news here, guys. The indefinite article ein doesn't have plural. So why doesn't it have plural, right? It doesn't have plural just because ein means a. So basically one. So we cannot have the word one be in plural for obvious reasons. So in this case, just forget about plural. So one more time, we have ein Mann, eine Frau, and ein Kind. Now, how would the accusative form be, right? The accusative form would be as indicated. Einen Mann, eine Frau, and ein Kind. The dative would be einem Mann, einer Frau, so einer Frau, and einem Kind. And the genitive would be eines Mannes, einer Frau, and eines Kindes. If you already know the definite article, this is going to be very easy for you. Just because basically all the endings are the same from definite and indefinite article. We can just see them here and compare. So just pause this video at this moment and take a look at them. So right here, I want to let you know, guys, something which is very important. So now we learned basically the indefinite article ein, eine, and ein. This indefinite article has a negative form. For example, we say in English, a man, but we also say no man. That's exactly what we do in German as well. We say ein Mann and then kein Mann. The kein is written like that, and it's basically formed exactly like the indefinite article ein, eine, and ein. The only difference between those two articles is that the negative indefinite article has plural. This is how their declination is. Keine, keine, keinen, and keiner. For example, keine Männer, keine Männer, keinen Männern, and keiner Männer. Keine Frauen, keine Frauen, keinen Frauen, and keiner Frauen. Keine Kinder, keine Kinder, keinen Kindern, and keiner Kinder. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all next time, and bis dann. Tschüss.